How to create online test by testmores.com. The first thing which you have to do, open your Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome type the URL www.testmores.com and go. This will be the home page of your testmores.com. Here you have to click on build on test. When you click on build on test, like this a window will appear. Here in text name you have to type the text about your class, about your test, means class or subject, and you have to enter the password and you have to retype the password. Say class 5, and enter the password should be choose simple, say 123. Okay, I can retype the password 123. Okay, now click on create test. When you click on create test, like this way window will appear. Here at left side corner, click menu option is available. Click on that menu and click on settings. The first thing you have to do the settings. Here instead of class name you can write the subject, say English. Okay, then introduction means we have to type information about your test, like marks and time required. Other also you can write information. Okay, like your school name, as you are entering. Okay, now scroll down. In question settings, either select show all the questions on same page or one question per page. It is your choice. Then randomize option will allows you to shuffle the questions. So if you click on the randomize, questions will be shuffled. If you unclick, questions will not be shuffled. Then here at the end of the page, test, display the user scores. You don't want to display the score when the students will complete the test. And test outline also means which questions are wrong, right. We don't want to send it. Afterwards we have to send. Then access control, who can take your test, anyone. Here time, you have to set uh, 30 minutes. In minutes you have to set. Okay, how many times someone can appear test, only one time. Okay, and here what information you want from the students to identify, name, division, like this way, that you have to enter. And at the last, here the option, it should be no, should be clicked, and click on save. When you click on save, automatically the page will direct to the questions. But then to, for your understanding, click on menu and click on questions. Okay, here when you click on insert, here what kind of questions you want. First I will choose multiple choice. Okay, like this way, here you have to type the question, say what is the capital of India. Okay, now when you click on options, you can able to write, say Delhi. Options I will write. Second option I will write, say Mumbai. Third option I will say write Nagpur. Fourth option I will write, say Patna. Okay, these are the options which we can write. Now we know the answer is Delhi, so click on Delhi. Click on Delhi. Okay, and here this point indicates the marks for this question. Okay, which you can either you set for 2 marks, 3 marks, it is your choice. Okay, now automatically this window will came. For the next question, again click on insert. Click what kind of question it is. Say multiple choice, again I will choose. Type the question here. Say national animal is dash dash. Okay, options, right? Tiger, lion, wolf, or horse. Okay, now we know the answer is tiger, so click on tiger. Okay, so like this way, if you want to insert next question, click on here insert, and what kind of question you want, that you insert, either true, false, fill in the blanks, or matching. So I will stop here for 2 questions. Now after creating this question, we have to publish this test. We have to create URL of this test. So how you will create? Click on menu and click on publish. When you click on publish, here like this way screen will came, publish subject English. Here preview options, you can see the preview of your test, how the test will be look like. Okay, scroll down and click on publish. Click on publish. When you click on publish, this URL will be created of your test. This URL you have to copy it. Just click on that. Click on copy link text. When I click on copy link text, the link will be copied. I'll repeat again. I'll do again. Just click here and copy link test. I will select. When you select copy, go to WhatsApp and paste and send to the students. Okay, now when you will send to the students, when how the students will appear for the test, when the students will receive this message, receive this link, student have to just click on this link. When the student will click on this link, like this way test will appear for him. He will enter his name and division. Okay, start. Click on start. See, like this way test will be appear for the students. So he will appear, what is the capital of India? Click Delhi. National animal is, I will say tiger, I will wrong. Submit. Once he submit, he has to log out. Now here the roll of students finish. He has given the test. Now what teacher has to do? You have to again open this same link. Okay, now you have to log in as a administration. Okay, and the password which you have given 123 at the time of creating test, that you have to enter and log in. When you log in, like this way with dashboard again will came. Here you have to click on view result. When you click on view result, you will be able to see the who the students have appeared for the test. Now I have just given the test by the name Swati J, so it will came here. When I click on this link, you have to click on this link. Okay, when I click on the student name link, I will be able to see the his paper which he has solved. So first his question answer is correct, but second he is wrong, so mark is 0. Okay, like this way save the changes. Now how to send this link this paper to the students? Just click on the link, go to printer friendly version, that you have to click print, and display score पे click करो, then display outline पे click करो, and update. So this is the complete paper of your student with mark 1 out of 2. Click on print. When you click on print, like this, a PDF file automatically it will came and save as a PDF format. Okay, save by the student name Swati 5th J, and it will be saved to your drive. You can able to see, just go to your files document, Swati J, PDF available. Now this you can share to the students directly as well as to the class teacher.